Welcome to the Documents section. If you have documents you'd like to store, you can keep them under the Documents section. To add a new document, let's click on Create. Now simply drag and drop the file you want to upload. Please note that we only support Word documents at the moment. Let's start by giving the document a clear, descriptive name. Next, select where you'd like to save the document. If you have concerns about sensitive data, you can choose the local option. Keep in mind that cloud storage has a limit, so space may not always be available. Now let's select the document split method. You can find more details about this in our training materials. Make sure to select the shared style name you've applied to the headings in your document. We also recommend enabling vector search for more efficient searches. Additionally, semantic search is powerful for meaning-based searches, and we highly recommend using it. At this stage, you can review the segmented pieces of your document. If something seems off, feel free to adjust the split method. Once you're confident, click Create. Depending on the size of the document, the upload time may vary. Once the document is uploaded, you can test it using a few keywords directly from this area. After the document is created, you'll see the chunk count, which shows how many segments the document was divided into. Additionally, the size field will display how much space these chunks occupy along with their associated vectors. If you ever need to make updates, you can download the document, make your changes, and upload it again. And if you'd like to remove a document, simply click Delete.